Hi there friends, welcome to Maria Waits and Beyond. Today we are going to be reviewing some tumblers that I received from UIRZONT. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's UIRZONT. I received this package to review it, so we are going to open it. In the description box, there's going to be a link to the product, and I believe it's a pack of 8. So there is 4 in this box. I'm gonna open them. The space that I have, it's small, and I do apologize. So this is the way they look, and they are for sublimation. So I'm going to be subliminating one of these. I'm not sure if tomorrow or Saturday. So I received 4. We are going to open one. Inside the tumbler, there is a ribbon, and there is this protector, and this goes at the bottom. We have also the ribbon, so we can wrap it when we sell them, or if you are going to give it as a gift. Each tumbler comes with a straw and also with the brush to wash the straw, which I love that. You are also going to receive paper for sublimation and these wrappers that once you tape your sublimation design to the tumbler, you are going to insert the tumbler in this wrapper, and then you are going to, with a blow dryer, you are going to heat a wrap, and it's going to make sure that the design is not going to move and you're not gonna get any bleeding in your projects. If you are doing sublimation, I'm going to be posting a video pretty soon on how to sublimate them and the result. So I hope you find this video informative, and please leave comments and share the videos with your friends. Let me know what would you like to see in the next videos. Thank you.